Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. So today the Facebook team launched its one of the new update, and the update is they merge Instagram and Facebook Messenger applications, and the result is Instagram Messenger. So how to get this new Instagram Messenger and what are the new features are available from this update. So let's go to our tutorial. So before going to get this Instagram Messenger update, so first of all check if you are using the latest version of Instagram and Facebook Messenger applications. So once you check it, just click to open your Instagram application. So now in this home page section, in bottom it shows some icons. So here you can press your profile icon, and it shows my Insta profile informations. So here you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and then go to settings, and then I get the one option called update messaging. So simply press this option and it shows what are the features are available from this messenger update. So you can press update and it shows my Insta and Facebook usernames. So you can customize these options. So otherwise you can skip this step. So finally my new Insta Messenger is ready to use. So now in this homepage section, you can note one thing. In top of right side, it shows one messenger icon. So simply press this icon and it shows my some Insta followers contacts. So anyway, if you like to chat with your Insta followers, just search that username and then click to open it. So I try to send the one message. So what are the features are available from this Insta Messenger? So it has the same GIF images, and also you can send any image file or video files by using this gallery icon, and there is possible to send your recorded voice messages. And the main feature of this update is if you send any message in mistakenly, then you can unsend that message by simply long press on the text, and it has the one option called unsend. So by using this option, you can easily delete your messages from both sides. So these are the some features are available from this Insta Messenger update. So overall my satisfaction with this update is good, but I expect more updates from this Insta. So anyway, for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechAns, and thanks for watching.